What's up, everybody? This is Driveway Kid. Hope everybody's doing well. During this Corona time, I want to make a real quick video. I'm at a truck stop TA in Mount Vernon, Illinois, and man, I've been eating the same crap for 2 weeks, and I got sick, and I'm sick and tired of it, and so I went over to Walmart across the street, brought out my George Foreman grill, and now I am cooking me up some salmon on the George Foreman. Got me some other groceries, crackers, PB&J crackers, toasted coconut cashews, some soup, cereal, whatnot. Just like to have a little something when I'm getting tired of this truck stop food and all this nasty fried crap, and want something something that's actually decent, and you can actually sit back in the truck, watch the iPad, watch a little Netflix, Hulu, when you're waiting on the weekend, staying in a motel, you got the George Foreman going, things looking good, smelling good. You don't have to rely on none of this Popeyes or Burger King or crap out of the deli. And tomorrow night on the menu, we have got, let's see, they didn't have much to choose from at Walmart meat wise, so I went and got me a filet mignon. Not a bad price. I can make it better than what they've got it in the truck stop. Got me a little salt and pepper. Taking advantage of, instead of putting ice in the cooler, taking advantage of the refrigerator that came in the truck, brand new. I just try to take advantage of all this I can. I'll be unloading. I can't unload till Monday in Indianapolis. I drop and hook in Indianapolis, and heading to South Carolina, and dropping hook in South Carolina, head to Mount Pleasant, Tennessee. Ain't got a load yet. Don't know if I'm gonna be heading back home. Haven't made my mind up yet, but things are moving kind of slow. Just blessed to have the loads I've got, and we'll just see how everything goes from there. Just thankful that I am able to move and able to get the ball rolling and keep rolling. Just blessed by all means, and I appreciate what I do have. Appreciate my health during these times. Appreciate my family's health. That we're staying healthy. Appreciate my wife, a hard-working nurse she is, keeping people healthy. Being a truck driver is easy compared to what she does. But I just want to make a quick video and say I do appreciate all the hardworking people out here at the truck stops, keeping us truck drivers up. All the people who at the cash registers, shower maintenance, everybody. Appreciate the dispatchers keeping us going. And everything that they do. They've been overlooked. They're keeping us rolling. We might have our problems, our differences, and might not look eye to eye, but all the time, but in the end, they're the ones that gets us out. And that's all I've got today. If anybody has any questions, I'm the driver. My name's Jason, and we'll get out of here and see how this is turning out. Oh yeah, get out here and eat this salmon. Bed down for the night, watch a little Netflix, keep everything, just rest the weekend, and we'll just take it from there and see how the next week goes. I will catch y'all later, and everybody stay safe.